Politics inti o bompa ese onua enhwere ne nkwa no nwu. Abusuama hwehwe video a Sammy Gyamfi to nyoma o bompa ese Kufu Addo enwu. Akaba biom hwe politics ntio Sammy Gyamfi bompa ise Kufu Addo enwu politics na wo to nyom se kum na Addo maye te enso ko to bia be yode bompa ye to nyom se yakopon kum Bawumia na Addo ma politics o politics nti adwen no mo ma adwen no ai se enye adwuma yie ma adwen no enye adwuma yie honestly speaking mu be a visa dem abodam edam all in the name of politics o bon pass yakopon kum obi ma all in the name of politics onye bibia o politics ende Ghana ahwere MP outside minister any minister baako member of parliament for Temali Murtala Mohammed a Muslim ko wa shejuru be to the extent senenso no kra ano yehu owu eya wo ohun owu eya owu a eya de ya ne say ya no pa we amafo bebre hu omo no kra na ye ya no nye so ya we ye ko nya we mpo nenga so ya we no ye den owu ye we wan ya we anya hwe wan ya we anya hwe ko ewiase ya papa etuta de bia de meka se politics a ye de ya tem didie e de nimpa health etwa omumpa o politics no me menye bi da because unim eda obeyeden obewu unim eda Asem beto what you say unim eda Asem beto tire bia meka se politics na ye no ye kasemu nyema ye yenhwe ne ye ende Murtala Mohammed ene omanebu amana ekoi en so hwe omo a na omo mu na NDC vice chairman no no so wosu bi ena afei NADMO deputy director was say national security was say NADMO deputy director no no so ye den e wo mu bi Samuel Abuaje deputy director general NADMO and defense minister and Murtala na Dr. Samuel Sapon omu nyina akọ ansana soldiers for me and sanso mo kan omu nyina akọ what you say so what is the wishing, like why are you wishing death for someone dainty then panty and I'll be wish you would ya mobi. What I say? It's very sad. It's very, very, very sad. Oh, wish you would ya mobi. Because of what? Because of what? I have one kasa. I have ankasa. Usia. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say, honestly speaking. I don't know what to say. But it's very sad. It's very, very, very sad. And I know that no one will wish this for Onokana Townful. No one. You know, sometimes things happen and you don't even understand. Just recently, we lost member of parliament faculty. One day, papa. Now, this is very sad today is a Black Wednesday, and it's very sad. It's very, very sad. I don't know what to say. I think I'll be bringing more updates and how everything happened. But we are just telling Sammy Gyamfi and then the government say they should stop that kind of politics. Politics are they be mobile umpires who being and all those stuffs. And we here, they should stop that kind of politics. Because today, I realize they say all those things aren't important. All those things are not important. Abusuya go perform okra in CA. Go perform okra in CA. Abusuya say obo owuo e de ma obi anye. Momo yenjai politics a ye de nipa nkwa e de di agro. Muntie nsema Sammy Gyamfi e de tu dwa wa bra na NPP e wo power. See, because of power, like because of power, who go at the ama, some will for the president, the ama, some will vice president because of power. Yeah, for and the mirror papa. Hey, doctor, a young man, Bawumia, any honorable Mutala. I could perform a crancy ye. Namo some more mine. A Juma, Mobile somebody Smodicana, my name ye. In Nasa, at Orienting we are tom. I could perform a crancy ye. Your best radio Ghana for say politics are ye didn't pound Nipa, Enkwan Edian, Yenjai. Say red bow who would ya mobi, Sadian Yenjai. The entire video, when I be video, they are changing your movie say. Yen, Sanya man, ye nimi ye. But politics, kind of politics now, yeah, more yeno, and yet. Just I'm Sammy Gyamfi, I and the Yoku a gold board CEO, Sam Reno. I know ye communication director demand this, I think so that's way. Now, what Tonyum say, Yango Poem come and Addo neighbor Bawumia mount. And ne hwɛ de asi wɔ man ne mu nsade na mo yɛ ne mu njai na nyina yɛ Ghana fo yɛ nyina Ghana yie enti na yɛ nyina yɛ wa ase ya obi yɛ NPP ne obi yɛ NDC ne ya onye watamfo ɔyɛ onua ohu na ɔne ne nsere na nipa ɛnsa hwɛ yɛ njai politics a yɛ de owu ɛyɛ no